Hello, this is Pink Cat. Oh wait, Pink Meow K-pop. I'm sorry, I really need to remember my subscriber name. So I was, walking, and then I saw this baby bird. The baby bird fell out of the nest. It's a black baby bird. And the baby bird's twin, I guess, died instantly. And the other baby bird is waiting for his mother. But my mom, we tried to help it out and we kind of touched it. Now the baby bird gonna die because of us. I'll show you. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go outside and see the baby bird. So here he is, the baby bird. See, isn't this so sad? Please leave a like and help the baby birds so no more baby birds will fall out of the nest and die like the baby bird right there. It's twin. Okay, goodbye. I'm so sad.